Good morning, children, and welcome to this online learning class. Children, today we will study about transportation in animals and plants, and this is chapter 11 of your science book. And in this first, we will study about the circulatory system. In human beings, digested food, water, and oxygen are transported to all parts of the body. Waste products are also transported and they have to be removed from all parts of the body. Now, the transport of substances in the body is done by the circulatory system. This circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Children, you can see the diagram of heart in this slide, and you can also see the circulatory system, how blood is circulated to all parts of the body. Now, coming to this diagram, here you can see it has left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle, and then left lung, right lung, anterior venae cavae, and posterior venae cavae, and the aorta, which is the largest blood vessel. This aorta supplies blood to all parts of the body. Right, now regarding the function of the heart, we will study in next video. So this is the circulatory system of humans. Now coming to next is blood. Children, blood transports substances in the body. It has a fluid part called plasma, which is pale yellow in color, and cells which float in the plasma. These are red blood cells, RBCs, and another name for these RBCs is erythrocytes. Number 2, white blood cells, WBCs, or leukocytes, and blood platelets. Now coming to red blood cells, children, red blood cells are red in color because they contain a pigment called hemoglobin, which transports oxygen. Now the second, these red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. White blood cells. White blood cells are called as WBCs or leukocytes. They fight against germs and protect us from disease. So in short, we may say they form the defense mechanism of our body. Now the platelets, these are small irregular shaped cells which help in clotting of blood. You can see the shape of the RBCs and WBCs and blood platelets. WBCs are larger in size and fewer in number, that is, they are lesser in number, while as red blood cells are smaller in size and they are large in number, and platelets are irregular in size and they are the smallest blood cells. Now coming to blood vessels, there are three types of blood vessels. They are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the all parts of the body. They have thick walls. Veins. They carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart. They have thin walls. Then capillaries. These are very fine blood vessels which join arteries and veins, or we may say the place where arteries and veins join are known as capillaries. So here the gaseous exchange takes place. Now pulse rate, children, you can see in this slide, blood flows through arteries at a high pressure, causing throbbing movement and called pulse. The number of pulse beats per minute is called as pulse rate. The normal pulse rate is between 72 and 80 beats per minute. You can see how can we feel the pulse rate. The next is, you can see the flow diagram. Children, about this we will study in the next slide. Thank you, children.